Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, we're from 11 Science 3. My name is Evan and this is my peers.
I'm Kalila. I'm Veronisa. I'm Zalika.
I'm Fahri. Let's check it out.
Hello everyone! Today we're gonna show you how to make an easy origami flapping bird by using origami papers. Check this out! The only materials that we needed is 1 square sheet of paper or origami paper. Start with the color side up if using origami paper. Then, fold diagonally in half to form a triangle. Bring the top right corner to the top left corner to form another triangle, then unfold. Open the right sides and pinch the sides inward while pushing the center down to make into a small square. Then, turn the paper over and do the same with the remaining sides of the triangle, so that it will become a small square too. Fold the down right and down left edges to the center crease. Then, flip the model over and repeat the same folds. After both parts have been folded equally, fold the top triangle down. We unfold the triangle again while opening the sides. Press flat to form a long diamond shape. After that, repeat on the back side. We open the sides again, then we press them flat to form a long diamond. Next, take the left sides or right sides and fold it upward. Don't fold it all the way to the top, only half of it. Fold the middle part, make sure the tip is pointed. This will be the head part. Then, bend it slightly to form a bird's head shape. We do the same thing with the other sides. We bend it up just halfway. Fold the middle part and this will be the tail. The last step is we hold the bird at the tail base and gently pull. The wings should flap. If it doesn't flap, then you have to loosen the folds a little. And ta-da! You've got an origami flapping bird! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you can practice this until you get better and better. See you soon, friends! Goodbye!